Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia's Kitchenette. I have here a simple menu. This is uh, adobong balon-balunan, or it is called in English as chicken, not liver, chicken gizzard steak. This is stir fry onions, garlic with bay leaves, and this boiled gizzard from the chicken, and added with seasonings, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken bouillon, and a little bit of a pinch of white sugar or brown sugar. So this will be served with rice or bread. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Leytenia's Kitchen.